I'll guide you through how to find all saved passwords on your iPhone without searching through endless menus. If you're looking to log into a social media account on a new device, or you want to find a forgotten Wi-Fi password that you need to share, and you want to find all saved passwords on your iPhone, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The easiest way to access your passwords on devices running iOS 18 and above is to use the new Passwords app. On a supported device, swipe left on your home screen to access the app library and search for passwords. Tap on the app, and you'll be prompted to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to unlock it. Once inside, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your saved passwords for websites and apps. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the specific password. A great feature of this new app is a security recommendation section, which alerts you to any compromised passwords you should change immediately. You can also create a shared group to securely share specific passwords with family or friends. By this, you have successfully located all your saved passwords on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.